Welcome to the National Ethio Cyber Talent Summer Camp 2025. Are you ready to level up your cybersecurity skills this summer? Head over to talent.nsa.gov.ut, Ethiopia's official registration portal. On the homepage, you'll see the banner, Registration Open. Join Ethiopia's brightest minds for a summer of cybersecurity, coding, and creativity. Click Register now to begin. Step 1. Download the essay template. Click Download Essay Format to get the Word document. Write your thoughts, save the file, and keep it ready for upload. Step 2. Personal information. Fill in your first name, father's name, grandfather's name, and gender, education level, date of birth. Step 3. Location and interest. Select your region, city, and field of interest from the drop-down lists. Step 4. Upload and contact. Upload your filled form and your essay document. Then enter your contact info. Email address, phone number starting with 9 or 7. We already handled the +251. Optional. Want to impress more? Add your leak code and GitHub links if you have them. Final step, hit submit. That's it. You're registered. Get ready to learn, build, and compete with Ethiopia's top young cyber minds. See you at the National Ethio Cyber Talent Summer Camp 2025, where Ethiopia's future in cybersecurity begins.